Artificial intelligence, AI, has been a topic of discussion in the scientific community for many years, and its impact is particularly prominent in the field of science. The amalgamation of machine learning algorithms and data analytics tools have allowed scientists to take their research faster and further than ever before. #AI in scientific research. The integration of AI has revolutionized scientific research by providing new insights into complex problems that were once unfeasible to solve. With automated procedures like natural language processing or image recognition techniques, researchers can extract information with greater accuracy and speed from vast amounts of heterogeneous data sources, making sense out of massive collections that would have previously required human evaluation. Furthermore, AI-enabled predictive models can identify patterns within datasets that humans may not be able to detect otherwise, thus enabling them to make more accurate predictions regarding various phenomena. Such advancements are particularly useful when it comes to predicting complex scenarios such as weather forecasting or viral outbreaks. #Automation scientists have also been able to use machine learning (ML) solutions for increasing levels of automation across several stages of experimentation, reducing errors as well as freeing up time which they can direct towards other critical tasks. This allows researchers the ability to generate high-fidelity results faster than was possible earlier without compromising on either quality or reliability. One example illustrating this point is artificial intelligence, AI, has become a crucial tool in various fields, including science. Scientists have been using AI to accelerate the development of scientific discoveries since it offers significant benefits over traditional methods. With its ability to process large amounts of data and analyze information quickly, scientists can rely on AI to assist them in delivering breakthroughs in their respective fields. #Applications of AI in science. There are many applications where AI can be integrated into scientific research. One notable application is drug discovery, where researchers spend years looking for compounds that may lead to new medications. By incorporating machine learning algorithms and neural networks into this process, scientists now have the capability to simulate complex biological systems accurately and test numerous potential drugs with improved efficiency. Additionally, AI allows engineers to design more efficient renewable energy systems by analyzing weather patterns and determining how they impact plant operations. Through predictive analytics provided by machines equipped with artificial intelligence capabilities, power plants can predict changes in electricity production dynamically based on prevailing weather conditions. Furthermore, medical diagnosis has also transitioned with the integration of machine learning models into medical technology software such as X-ray imaging devices or MRIs. This approach enhances accuracy levels and enables earlier detection when diagnosing diseases like cancer before they spread significantly. Lives could potentially be saved through timely intervention from doctors aided by an artificial intelligence. AI is a rapidly evolving technology that has revolutionized the way we interact with machines, and its potential applications in science development are immense. AI provides us with an unprecedented ability to process vast amounts of data at incredible speeds, enabling new insights into complex scientific problems that would be impossible using traditional methods. This essay explores some examples of how artificial intelligence is already being used for scientific research as well as its future implications.